Hi, what's up guys? Going to this video we are going to be designing a roll-up banner in CorelDraw 2022. So without further ado, let's step into it. So these pictures are going to be put in the description link below for you to make use of. So let's step on it. So right now what we're going to be doing is to go over and double click on this rectangle. Automatically it snapped into the page. Then let's squeeze it a bit because it's a roll-up. Actually, I don't know the exact, but prospectively this is how it should be. So right now let's drag this closer. So I'm making use of this background right here. So what we're going to be doing now is to have it Powerclip into, put Alt key, select the image, release your Alt key and adjust to fit in just like so. Good, nice one. So right now what we're going to be doing is to go ahead and bring the woman close to this. Then go ahead, let's change the image, let's change the color of the background to this woman's color. So can you see that? So let's lighten it up a bit to see through that. So can you see that? So right now what we're going to be doing is to go ahead and Powerclip this into place, put Alt key, select the image, release your Alt key and adjust to fit in just like so. So let's move the text closer to that. Then let's go ahead and change the font name to Futurati, change the font to Futurati. Then let's go ahead and cut this off. Ctrl X, then Ctrl V to paste. That's the command. So right now what we're going to be doing is to break that individually. So we going to use Times Roman. Let's use Times Roman. For a better seal, let's use Futurati. Then let's go ahead, hit Ctrl K to break it in the pieces. Then make this a bit wider. So right now we are going to make it all cap. Let's make it cap. Good. Zoom down. Position that. Then let's bring this this vector design, place that beneath it, center it all up. Then let's go ahead and center everything. Good. So let's go ahead and have this reduce a bit. Then let's have it to be all cap. Good. Reduce. That's nice one. Holding this. Good. So let's center it all up. Zoom down. So what we're going to be doing now is to have the background to be darker a bit. Let's go on to adjust, then hit on tone curve. Dialog box pops up. Then let's go ahead and reset that. Then go ahead and darken it all up a bit, just like so. Good, nice one. A little bit of light to that. Then let's go ahead and have this top text to be white. Nice one. So let's go ahead, set our light to none. Go ahead and zoom up. So what we're gonna be doing is to set our light to none. Then let's have a little bit of dark shade right there. So let's go on and apply something like this. Better still, let's make that a darker color of this gele. Good. Apply it to that. Let's Powerclip, then position that all to the top. Ctrl P down on the keyboard, automatically set behind. So right now let's make a copy. A better still, let's create an object on top of it, just like so. Good, nice one. So what we're going to be doing now is to bring this closer. Let's zoom up. So let's create At first, let's just convert to bitmap. Then let's choose grayscale. It's okay. Nice one. So let's go ahead and make a duplicate of this object on top of the image, just like so. So what we're gonna be doing now is to go ahead and set that merge mode to let's use subtract. Good. So let's go ahead and lighten the background, the image itself. So go on to adjust, then you hit on tone curve. Automatically dialog box pops up. So right now what we're going to be doing is to reset. Then let's pull it all up to give it a light appearance right there. Good, nice one. I think we needed to just go ahead and have this to be, let's go ahead and have this to be normal. Clear that. Normal. Then let's go ahead and bring this forward, control page up. So let's have it to be merge mode into that subtract. Then let's go ahead and use some other pattern for that. I think this is nice, so let's go ahead and just group. Bring that closer. Then let's go ahead and have that to be convert to bitmap. Better still, let's still make changes to that a bit and see where it takes us. Let's use a screen. I think this is nice, but we needed to give it a little bit of so what we're going to be doing now is convert to bitmap. So right now we're going to be using RGB. It's okay. Then let's go on and darken it all up so that you can see the beauty. Hit on curve, the dialog pops up, then there you are. So let's go ahead and just darken it a bit. Good. So good, nice one. So it's okay. So right now what we're going to be doing is to just zoom down. So we are going to actually create magic right here. So all we needed to do is come back to curve, convert to curve, then go ahead, position this down. Then let's go ahead and have this copied to the other side. So what we're going to be doing now is to set this upward. Then go ahead, Powerclip this into that. Then go ahead, hold the Alt key. Then let's make this a bit bigger. Nice one. So what we're going to be doing now is to create something like this at the bottom. Then go ahead and change this to a darker color. Go to color view. Then let's go ahead and make it black, the darkest black. Then you go ahead and blend the top part just like so. Good. I think this is nice. So let's Powerclip this into place. Powerclip. Then you go ahead and adjust just like so. Good. A bit bigger. Good. So right now what we're going to be doing is to make this white. Then let's go ahead and better still use a slight color. So let's group it, Ctrl G, then Powerclip that into place. Hold Alt key, select the Powerclip object. Then let's go ahead and apply some other color to that. I think white would be nice. So let's bring the rest of the name here, zoom up, make it white. Then let's go ahead and reduce all of this. It's Ctrl K to break all into pieces. Then let's make this a bit bigger. Chief Olubukola. So make this bigger. Then let's lay emphasis on Olubukola. It's Ctrl K to break it into pieces. Then let's go ahead and bolding Olubukola, widen it all up. Then let's go ahead and just close the tracking just like so. Then position this upward. So what we're going to be doing now is to make this all cap. After that, let's make a reduction to that. Then let's go ahead and have this bold up. So position it beneath it. Likewise, this a bit, reduce it. Then let's position this closer to the name. Good. So right now, what we're gonna be doing is apply effect to this, the same effect. So let's zoom up. Good. Double click at the middle. Then let's make that a grayscale. Then go ahead and center it all up. Pull it down. Then pull the gray a bit closer to it so that you can achieve that. Good. So set the outline to white. Then hit on F12 to a dialog pops up. So let's have this outline to be 2. Then check on fill. Then scale with object. This is too much. Let's make it 1 point. Then hit OK. I think this is nice. So let's go ahead and just zoom up, and let's see the result of that. So nice one. Good. So let's make this all cap. Good. So go ahead and break this accordingly. Then go ahead, hit Ctrl K to break it in the preset. Then let's go ahead and center it all up. Then widen it all up a bit. Good. Center it all up again. Then let's go ahead and position this closer to our name. That's quite simple. So let's position this a bit down, bolding it all up. Then let's go ahead and have this to be bold as well. Then let's go on and have this broken accordingly. Good. Then go ahead to position this a bit, somewhere here. So hit Ctrl K to break it in the preset. Then let's have the time bigger. So let's position this a bit closer, center, give it a line apart alignment. Then let's have it positioned so we're somewhere around here. Then let's go ahead and create a line in between that. Good. So let's set the outline to white. Then hit on F12 if the dialog pops up. Then let's make this 1 point. Hit OK at first. Let's see that it's not okay. So let's use 1. Then let's make it a dotted line. Good. Nice one. Good. The next step right now is to actually center this all up. Then let's bold it up to that, group it. Let's go ahead and give it shadow. So let's change that. The thickness of that should be 90. Then let's have this to be 8. It's okay. There you are. Go on, break, drop, shadow apart, automatically breaks. Then let's go on and just position this side. Then you break that you break what's it called, rest in peace. Is actually nice. So let's give it right alignment, position it just like so. Good. Nice one. So let's position this a bit downward. Then let's go ahead and group all of this. Good. Nice one. Ctrl G and center it all up within the background. So let's zoom down. Let's have a full preview. So here we come to the end tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the button. Let's subscribe, and don't forget to hit that like button so that other people can benefit from what we have shared so far. So I will say my channel. See you in the next video. Bye for now.